Hello everyone, first of all, let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this backdrop and this table. Today I'm going to make the backdrop and table setting like this with the material I have. Okay, now let's go. Okay, first of all, let's make the floral wire which attached to the stem. We will use our flower support wire. Look, there are spines here, so we can put our flower head onto the spine. Will be okay. If you want to know the detail, a step-by-step tutorial about how to make the floral wire with our support wire, you can click here for the old video. But actually, it's very simple. Just attach all the flower head on the flower support wire will be okay. Okay, look, I make some floral wire in different lengths because I will use them to decorate different items. Okay, now let's make the fabric backdrop. Okay, look, this is the backdrop we made. I fast forward the procedure because I already took a step-by-step tutorial to show you how to make the backdrop starting from fabric. If you are interested, you can check my old tutorial by click here. Look, I use 3 panels. I make 3 panels of the fabric for the backdrop. And for your information, since we will tie the fabric from this end to this end, so this panel of backdrop fabric will be longer, much more longer than the top of the stem because we need enough fabric when we tie it from this end to this end. The fabric need to much more longer than the top of the backdrop. Okay, now let's tie the fabric. Just follow the edge of the fabric and make the sweat and then tie it on the stem will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I complete the sweat. For your information, if you want to adjust the shape of the sweat, you can adjust the fabric by jacking the fabric, or maybe you can start from here and adjust the fabric like this. Okay, and then tie with the string will be okay. Okay. Okay, then let's tie our floral wire to this side of the stem with the string. I will show you the effect after I complete. Okay, completed. Look, this is the effect after we tie the flower wire on the stem. Our flower wire is about 1.4 meters long, but you can tie several of them to fix the height of your backdrop stem. And also, you can tie a flower ball here. If you watch my old tutorial, there's a tutorial to show you how to make the small flower ball with our slide. slice. Okay, now let's set up the table. Okay, look, this is the effect after we put on our tablecloths and our DIY Ruffles table skirt. And about the detail, step-by-step tutorial about how to make this table skirt, you can check my old tutorial by click here. I don't repeat the procedure here. Okay, then the next step, we need to take, look, we need to take the floral white onto the table skirt, the top of the table skirt. Look, our clip, we can tie the flower along the clip. I show you the effect after I complete it. And if you want to know the detail about how to tie the flower white to the table, you can check my old tutorial. Actually, it's very easy. Okay, anyway, I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. I tied the flower white on the table and put some candle and our cutware. And this is the come out of our table setting, like this. And this is our full setting. The backdrop is wider. We make the backdrop wider will be okay, but since my stand not large enough, if the backdrop wider, the come out will be much more pretty. Look, this is the whole effect. Let's tune in to check every detail. For your information, we supply all material used on our tutorial. Includes the flower support wire, the flower, almost everything. Also the tablecloth, table skirt. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the information field below this video. Look, our flower is very pretty, okay? And also, please do me a favor, but do not skip the advertisement, because I want the revenue to buy more material and take more video. Okay, look. Okay, look. This is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye-bye.